Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change Spotify country. What you need to do. First log in on Spotify account and then click on your profile icon. Go to account. And then just scroll down. You can see here my country, Vietnam, but I can't change it here. Then just I click here, join premium. And then just scroll down. Here is the payment, but just scroll down to the end and you can see here Vietnam, change country. Just click here and then just you can choose any country. This is what you need to do to change Spotify country. If the video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. And if you have any questions, any idea, any suggestions, just you can leave them in the comment below. Thank you and see you.